Hello everyone, welcome back to Road to Ownership. Today we're delving into the fascinating world of real estate. Our focus, the ultimate checklist for first-time home buyers. But before we dive in, do us a favor and hit the subscribe button. Your support means a lot to us. Home ownership, a significant milestone in many people's lives, can be a daunting prospect, especially for those navigating this territory for the first time. Preparation is the key to navigating this journey with confidence and ease. And that's where we come in. Today, we will be sharing an ultimate checklist for first-time homebuyers. This checklist is not just a rundown of must-dos. It's a carefully curated guide backed by industry data and expert advice, designed to help you make informed decisions every step of the way. Now, without further ado, let's get started with our comprehensive checklist for first-time homebuyers. First things first, you need to understand your budget. It's the cornerstone of the home buying process. Knowing how much you can afford to spend not only narrows down your options, but also prevents financial strain down the road. Let's talk numbers. The average home price in the United States is approximately $226,800 as of 2020. So, how much should you be spending on housing? A good rule of thumb is to allocate no more than 30% of your income to housing. This includes mortgage payments, property taxes, insurance, and maintenance costs. Keep in mind, it's not just about being able to afford your home, it's about being able to enjoy it without financial stress. Remember, a well-planned budget is your ticket to a stress-free home buying journey. Moving on, let's discuss the role of your credit score in the home buying process. Now, your credit score is not just a random number, it's a reflection of your financial responsibility. Lenders use it to determine your credit worthiness. In fact, it's one of the key factors that can affect your mortgage approval and the interest rate you get on your loan. Consider this: the average credit score for approved mortgages is 759. If your score is significantly below this, you might face challenges in getting approved for a mortgage, or you may be offered less favorable terms. On the other hand, a higher credit score can potentially unlock better interest rates, resulting in significant savings over the life of your loan. So, it's worth investing time and effort in improving your credit score before you start house hunting. In essence, a good credit score can open doors to better mortgage deals. Now, let's talk about location. When it comes to buying a home, location is just as crucial as the property itself. It's the backbone of property value, with areas of high demand often driving up prices. Think about the benefits of living close to work, school, or local attractions. But it's not just about convenience. Safety is a major factor too. Look into crime rates and community safety initiatives in your chosen area. And let's not forget lifestyle compatibility. Your neighborhood should align with your lifestyle and personal preferences. Are you a social butterfly who thrives in a bustling city, or a nature lover who prefers the tranquility of the countryside? There are popular and emerging locations out there that cater to a variety of needs and wants. So, take the time to research, visit, and really get a feel for the place. Remember, choosing the right location can make your home an investment for the future. Next up on our checklist is the all-important home inspection. This process is crucial as it uncovers potential issues that may not be immediately visible. Think of it as a health check for your potential new home. Just as you wouldn't buy a car without checking under the hood, the same applies to buying a house. A home inspection is a comprehensive examination of the property's condition. It encompasses everything from the roofing, plumbing, and electrical systems to the overall structure and foundation of the home. The inspector will look for signs of damage, disrepair, or potential safety issues, providing you with a detailed report of their findings. Why is this so pivotal? Well, let's delve into some statistics. An impressive 86% of home buyers who opt for home inspections find them beneficial. That's a significant majority. These inspections can reveal hidden problems like mold, asbestos, or structural issues that could cost thousands to remedy. Being aware of these issues before you finalize your purchase can provide you with valuable bargaining power to negotiate a fair price, or, in some cases, decide if the home is worth investing in at all. Let's paint a picture. Imagine you found your dream home. It's perfect in every way, or so it seems. You move in, and a few months down the line, the roof starts leaking or the electrical system is faulty. The cost of such repairs can be hefty, and the stress overwhelming. That's a situation no homeowner wants to find themselves in. A home inspection gives you the opportunity to avoid this scenario. It's about safeguarding your investment and your peace of mind. It's about knowing that the home you're buying is not just aesthetically pleasing, but also structurally sound and safe. In conclusion, never underestimate the value of a good home inspection. It's an essential step in the home buying process, one that could save you from costly mistakes and heartache in the future. Remember, it's better to be safe than sorry. A thorough home inspection can save you from costly surprises down the road. Having completed our comprehensive checklist, you're now a step closer to achieving your goal of owning your first home. Throughout today's discussion, we delved into crucial aspects, ranging from grasping your budget, the cornerstone of your home buying expedition, to recognizing the significance of a favorable credit score, which can unlock opportunities for superior mortgage offers. We also discussed the significance of picking the right location. Remember, it's not just about the house, but also the neighborhood and the amenities it offers. Then, we moved on to the importance of a thorough home inspection. It's your safeguard against any potential pitfalls and helps ensure you're making a sound investment. Each step on this checklist is a building block towards your dream home. They're not just boxes to tick off, but valuable guides to help you navigate the often complex world of real estate. One last thing, if there is a topic you would like us to cover, please add it in the comment section. Also take a moment to share and like this video. Thank you.